Hi there, welcome to this tutorial on designing captivating thumbnail using Canva. As a content creator, the first impression your video makes is through its thumbnail. A well-crafted thumbnail serves as a visual gateway, enticing viewers to click and explore your content. In this video, we will delve into the act of creating eye-catching thumbnail that not only reflects your video's essence but also enhance its discoverability. Join me as I explore the significance of thumbnail and why mastering its design is a crucial skill for any aspiring or seasoned YouTuber. Let's make your videos stand out from the crowd. We are going to be using mobile phone, so you don't necessarily need a PC. The tutorial today is how you can use your smartphone to create this design. Let's dive right into it. To get started, the first thing, if you are using Android, the first thing is to go to your Play Store. Okay, so you click on Play Store and you type Canva. All right, and search. So this is the app Canva, and you download it. Like your own will show download. I have already downloaded it, so it's to open it. You need to log in at the beginning, but I've already have an account, so all I need to do is to start the design. So let's assume that you've logged in. Now this is your home screen. So the first thing you need to do now is to click on this and search for template. Just type YouTube thumbnail. All right, and search. So you can see there are so many templates here. You can start a blank template, but if you don't want to start from blank, which I don't expect you to start from blank as a beginner, so all you need to do is to look at this template. If you scroll, there are so many of the templates, so all you need to do is to select the one that you want to work with. Let's say I want to work with this. Okay, so I choose it. Here it is. Now we have to start formatting it. Now, what is your video about? That will inform you on what to write on it. Your creativity matters a lot. Okay, mine is about how to create YouTube thumbnail using Canva on mobile. So I will now start formatting it by clicking on each of the characters. I will now put design, how to design. You highlight it like that and you start typing. All right, so it's too long. All you need to do is to click on it and you drag for it to enter. Don't worry, let it be like that. We will resize it. We click on more and put the thumbnail there. So you click on edit and you write thumbnail. You enter, you click on it and you drag to extend it to be in one line. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to type using Canva app. Okay, so I did it. That's all. The next thing is, if I like, I will put this Creative Touch Media. If I don't like, it's not necessary, so can just remove it, but let me keep it aside. I may need the text later, so keep it aside. So now the next thing is to rearrange it. I will now click on here. I bring the text to this place and I click on here. I want to extend this and make it long enough to contain it, so I narrow it. Okay, and I narrow it a little, let it not to overlap. Okay, so now I bring this and I put it. It's still longer, but no worries. All right, what I want to do now is to remove this YouTube, because there's something I want to do. I want it to be more creative, so I remove it. Okay, how to design a dash thumbnail. So I now click here on this plus button and click on the search element and begin to search YouTube. So I'm looking for YouTube in Word. Alright, so I click on it like this. Alright, what is coming out here is logo and the rest of the thing. I click on photos and I look for it. I'm not seen to see it, so the only one I see is this one. Alright, so I'll click on it. Alright, and I select it and now resize it. I want to bring only the YouTube in. So before that, let me bring this here. Okay, bring this here. So I'm resizing and I'm okay. Now I'll allow it to be like this, because I want it to fit in here. Okay, so I resize. You can see, you see. So I now come here. I want to use this to reposition it, so I use the notch and use the arrow keys to work on it. I see that it's not straight, so alright, I think this is better. Alright, so I think I am okay like this. Alright, so you can see, give it another vibe. Alright, I think I'm okay with this. So you can see that our YouTube thumbnail is transforming. At this point, you can see how beautiful it is, how to design a YouTube thumbnail using Canva app. So the next thing is to work on this Canva app. So all I need to do is to click on the plus button again, and I come to element again and type Canva. What I want to do now is to double click on it. I click on it, it will highlight it this way, so I can crop it. Okay, all you need to do is to put your hand on one end and crop it. When you are done, you do done. Alright, so it's only the Canva that shows. So now I can now resize it, tilt it to. Now I can now edit this one. And that's it. you can see it. All right, so that is how that one is achieved. Like I said earlier, all you need to do is to make your imagination run wild. There is no limit to this thing. So now I will now bring Canva app by clicking the plus and look for Canva app. We now click this one and include the logo. We have to include the logo, so you adjust it like this. All right, another way you can also do it is to you can also tilt it like this and increase. Maybe it would have been here like this. Okay, so the way I design, sometimes I experiment a lot when I'm designing, and I now choose the best options. So I can just do like this. So which one is better? Maybe I can resize it a little. It's like it's too big. Okay, so I used our arrow notch and reposition it. Okay, so this is another way of designing it. It's amazing, isn't it? All right, so I will allow it to be like this, but I still want to reposition it. It's like it's not well aligned. Position it. If you click on position, I can bring it forward to the front. All right, like this. But the thumbnail, something is hiding. Duplicate it and align it. Then I come to effect, click on effect, then I will halo it. Okay, let me experiment on the color and choose the base that will go for it. All I need is to do, I want to give it class, and I still want it to be catchy. It has to be catchy. I will maintain this. So the next thing I want to do is to put in my brand colors as the background. So I click on the background. So I click on this plus, you see, and I will bring this to any of the place that I know as the color of my brand. So this is it. Then I will come here. All right, so this is my brand color. Now you can see how revealing it is. Everything is standing out. So I will now change these arrows. You see, I don't want it to be in red, so I now make it to be in white. I click on the color and I click on white, change to white. I come to this other one, I click on it. I want it to be black. Okay, all right, so you can see I'm customizing it. I will now replace this photo with my photo. So what I want to do is to click on the plus button and I click on gallery, and it will take me to my device memory, and I have some pictures here I took while I was recording. So I think I will choose this one and click on add. All right, So it brings it in. Let's say this is the photo I want to use, the photo of me. So I position it there, and I click on effect. I click on remove background. I will remove this woman here. I click on this delete logo and it's deleted, so I'll now bring in my image and position there. I keep my hand like this so that it will show that I'm holding a phone. I have only one phone, and it was the phone I used to snap this picture, so I didn't have any other phone to use. So now I have to give myself a phone. How do I do that? I click here on the plus, and I go to elements. I click on elements and I type. There are so many smartphones here, so you can choose anyone. So let me choose this one. All right, I position it in the way that it will look like I'm holding it. Now it looks like I'm holding the phone, Abby. I still want to position it well. The phone cannot be blank, so what I want to do is to click on this, duplicate, and duplicate it. It's giving me the vibe I want, and I'm liking it. And click on position and bring it forward. Okay, I think this is okay. So I now click on this name. I would like to change it to the name of my channel. In case I'm not satisfied, I can change things I want, but as it is, I am satisfied. So all I need to do is to click here, arrow up key, click on download. I like leaving it at this PNG. Okay, so after that you click on download. So it's ready. If you go to your device gallery, it is there. So that is how it is. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you like, share this video, and follow this channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.